Does it feel like your goals are always just out of reach? Maybe you're juggling too much, or you're not even sure where to start. You're not alone. This is a challenge so many of us face. Imagine having a clear plan that simplifies your journey and helps you achieve your dreams step by step. No more overwhelm, just steady progress toward the life you want. That's exactly why I created this free training. It's designed to help you craft a personal roadmap that transforms your big goals into achievable actions. People who follow this approach have seen incredible results. Whether it's finally reaching a major milestone, finding more balance, or simply feeling confident in their direction. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Create it. Click the link below to watch the free training and take the first step toward building the roadmap to your success and fulfillment.